Gartner logoSumitomo Mitsui Asset Management Company Ltd. held its position in shares of Gartner Inc., New York Stock Exchange during the third quarter, according to its most recent filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The fund owned 6,036 shares of the company's stock at the end of the third quarter. Sumitomo Mitsui Asset Management Company Ltd's holdings in Gartner were worth $533,000 at the end of the most recent quarter. Other hedge funds and other institutional investors have also recently made changes to their positions in the company. World Asset Management Inc. boosted its position in shares of Gartner by 31.8% in the third quarter. World Asset Management Inc. now owns 5,358 shares of the company's stock valued at $474,000 after buying an additional 1,292 shares in the last quarter. Rothschild Asset Management Inc. boosted its position in shares of Gartner by 37.5% in the third quarter. Rothschild Asset Management Inc. now owns 5,481 shares of the company's stock valued at $485,000 after buying an additional 1,496 shares in the last quarter. Mitsubishi UFJ Kokusai Asset Management Company Limited boosted its position in shares of Gartner by 2.0% in the third quarter. Mitsubishi UFJ Kokusai Asset Management Company Limited now owns 11,967 shares of the company's stock valued at $1,058,000 after buying an additional 229 shares in the last quarter. Strs Ohio boosted its position in shares of Gartner by 5.3% in the third quarter. Strs Ohio now owns 492,515 shares of the company's stock valued at $43,562,000 after buying an additional 24,973 shares in the last quarter. Finally, Ballard Group LLC boosted its position in shares of Gartner by 124.9% in the third quarter. Ballard Group LLC now owns 119,117 shares of the company's stock valued at $10,536,000 after buying an additional 66,154 shares in the last quarter. 90.51% of the stock is owned by institutional investors and hedge funds. Institutional ownership by quarter for Gartner, New York Stock Exchange shares of Gartner Inc., New York Stock Exchange opened at 100.41 on Friday. The stock has a market capitalization of $8.29 billion, a P/E ratio of 43.75, and a beta of 1.06. The stock's 50-day moving average price is $89.32, and its 200-day moving average price is $94.03. Gartner Inc. has a one-year low of $77.80 and a one-year high of $103. Gartner, New York Stock Exchange last released its earnings results on Thursday, November 3. The company reported 58 earnings per share for the quarter, topping analysts' consensus estimates of 50 cents by 8 cents. The company earned $574.10 million during the quarter, compared to the consensus estimate of $562.68 million. Gartner had a negative return on equity of 306.16% and a net margin of 7.73%. The firm's quarterly revenue was up 14.8% on a year-over-year basis. During the same quarter in the previous year, the company posted 45 cents earnings per share. Equities research analysts anticipate that Gartner Inc. will post $2.84 EPS for the current fiscal year. A number of equities analysts recently weighed in on the company. Zacks Investment Research upgraded Gartner from a sell rating to a hold rating and set a $110 price target for the company in a research report on Tuesday. BMO Capital Markets reiterated a hold rating and issued a $100 price target on shares of Gartner in a research report on Friday, August 5. Piper Jaffray Co.'s reiterated a neutral rating and issued a $90 price target, down previously from $93, on shares of Gartner in a research report on Monday, August 8. Morgan Stanley set a $101 price target on Gartner and gave the company a hold rating in a research report on Friday, August 5. Finally, Cantor Fitzgerald reiterated a buy rating on shares of Gartner in a research report on Friday, August 19. 7 investment analysts have rated the stock with a hold rating and 6 have given a buy rating to the stock. The company currently has an average rating of hold and a consensus price target of $102.09. In related news, Director Karen E. Dykstra sold 3,086 shares of Gartner stock in a transaction on Thursday, August 18. The stock was sold at an average price of $90.98 for a total transaction of $280,764.28. Following the completion of the sale, the director now directly owns 18,763 shares of the company's stock, valued at $1,707,057.74. The sale was disclosed in a legal filing with the SEC, which can be accessed through the SEC website. Also, SVP Alwyn Dawkins sold 2,600 shares of Gartner stock in a transaction on Monday, November 7. The stock was sold at an average price of $94.99 for a total value of $246,974. Following the sale, the senior vice president now directly owns 19,116 shares of the company's stock, valued at $1,815,828.84. The disclosure for this sale can be found here. Insiders own 4.40% of the company's stock. Gartner Company Profile.